Hey guys, Sak here from SAKITECH, and in today's video we have an exclusive photo of both the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra and the S21 Plus. Now this image was sent to me by an anonymous source who does not wish to be identified in any way, even though I would have loved to give them some credit. So I thanked him and told him many people will appreciate it. So as you know, the S21 will be officially announced in January 2021, possibly on or around the 14th. And then you'll be able to pre-order these smartphones the same day as they are announced. The prices will be lowered compared to last year, which is welcome. So anyway, let's look at this photo and see what's happening over here. On the left, we have the S21 Ultra. We have a quad camera system. We have the laser autofocus, and we have a flash. Now here's what the cameras are going to be. It's going to be a main 108 megapixel camera, and then we have a 12 megapixel ultra wide camera, and then we have two optical cameras. Each one of them is going to be 10 megapixels, but one of them is going to have 10 times zoom, and the one sitting right below the flash is only going to have 3 times zoom. And on the right, we have the S21 Plus with a lower grade triple camera system and a flash. Cameras will be 12 megapixel ultra wide, 12 megapixel main, and a 64 megapixel telephoto. So you can already kind of start making a preliminary decision on which camera system you would prefer if you're going to buy these. And I'll let you know the quality of these cameras won't be too much different than what we have on the S20 and the Note 20 series, but there are going to be some improvements. So 4 cameras versus 3 cameras, S21 Ultra and the S21 Plus. And of course the S20, the smaller model, is going to have the same cameras as the S21 Plus. So beyond that, you can see that we have the rounded corners on the top, as is usual with the S series. The color seems to be black and matte, but that may or may not be the same as when you get the retail unit. It might be shiny back, but I do hope it's all matte for any color range. I prefer matte finish over shiny finish any day. So that was just a quick video on the S21 Ultra and the S21 Plus. Drop a comment down below and let me know which one are you looking to buy. Now, traditionally, people tell me they always want to go with the best model, in this case, S21 Ultra. It's going to be the most expensive model in the $1,200 range with the most aggressive camera setup and, of course, obviously, the largest screen. So drop a comment down below and let me know. And of course, if you do have any tips you want to send over to SAKITECH, simply go to my Twitter account and send me a private message and just let me know. For now, guys, have a fantastic day, all right?